We tried to go shopping for a jacket for my son, but the stores are closed on Sunday, so we are gonna run to the Heidelberg Castle. Hopefully we'll get to see a little bit of it because it's getting late. It's already 3 o'clock. I'm hoping that we'll have a nice time there, and tomorrow we'll go out again to shop, and we also have plans to meet with a friend. Should be fun. Look at me, not every day Sunday, but I have a feeling that this just might be where we were last night. And I was saying it reminds me of Georgetown in TC. This has got to be it. Where were we? Yesterday we went to Bismarck Platz. So right now we're supposed to be in Heidelberg, so maybe they're not the same thing. But then again, I remember going to Heidelberg last week and there was sign for Bismarckplatz, so maybe this is it. Yep, this is the same area we were in last night. Wow, it's nice to be here during the day. Wow. The buildings. Look at that nice one all the way. Wow, there's one all the way in the mountains.
Continue on to Bismarckstrasse.
How do they get down? Oh, I took the wrong road. I knew I took the wrong road. Oh no, yeah.
Proceed to the route.
Shoot. I was so distracted talking, I took the wrong road. Anyway, I wish I could show more of this area. Look at that. It's nice. You can't even see what it truly looks like. Wow, that's nice. It's beautiful. This place goes pretty far up. Wow, very nicely organized. As far as my eyes can see. I'm waiting. Actually, it's nice that I got lost because I get to see all this. Last night I couldn't see anything because we came so late. Makes my heart ache for us that, you know, this reminds me so much of Haiti, the mountains. The water, the river, I don't know if it's a river. It looks man-made.
Use the right lane to take a slight right turn onto M. Hacteful. Take a slight right turn. In 3/4 of a mile, take a sharp left turn onto Klingtorstrasse. to the route. In a quarter mile, turn left onto Karlsplatz. Turn left onto Karlsplatz, then turn right onto Karlstrasse. Turn right onto Karlstrasse, then turn left onto Swingerstrasse.
I can see it in the mountains above. Sorry, person.
At the stop sign, turn left onto Swingerstrasse, then turn left onto Nieuwsblaustrasse.
Yeah, it's taking a bit of a zigzag up there. Wow, it's a very nice area. Go ahead.
Turn left onto Nieuwsblaustrasse. In a quarter mile, take a sharp left turn onto Nieuwsblaustrasse. Take a sharp left turn onto Nieuwsblaustrasse.
This reminds me so much of Haiti, especially the area above Pétionville,
In a quarter mile, turn left.
Kescoff, yeah, this is like Kescoff to me. You're just going uphill. This makes me feel like I'm home. Keep going. This area looks nice. Oh, they're gonna take me all the way completely to the castle. Everything
Turn
looks like a
left,
castle.
Then turn left.
Turn left where? I don't know if my car will fit in there. Maybe she didn't even fit there herself.
Take a sharp left turn onto Schloss Wolfsbrunnenweg, then keep left.
Pepperdine University. say to turn left? Yeah. Turn left. Oh. Let's hope we find parking. We are almost there. I guess we have to come back. Oh, there's such a nice view here. I wish I could show it. We'll walk and show you.
Keep left, then arrive at your destination.
Keep left. And this is our destination. What does that say there? Alright, gotta find parking. We parked and walked down to this area. This is the roughly the area that I wanted to video, but I couldn't use my hand. You can see the houses below. I think they themselves look like a castle, and actually the castle is right there. Right there. There was a path to go directly to the castle. I didn't take it because I wanted to be able to show you a view of the valley below from the mountain here. It is so beautiful, so breathtaking. Again, I've only seen things like this in Haiti, up in the mountains, where you can look down the valley below, and it is absolutely beautiful. I think I have to go a bit further down. I can see it from up here, but I have to go a bit further down to show you the valley. And this is the castle right here. It looks like this part is slowly falling apart. If I had just space, then yeah, look at that. It's very nice. Yeah, I'm glad we came. It's beautiful. Yeah, they can give me a piece of land right up the mountains up there. Actually, in that far mountain, there are houses there. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Moss. Mm. the castle from this way also, but I really want to. There it is. Oh, it's coming. See the houses down there across from the water. Even this is not doing it. Is it one more curve? I looked to my left while I was driving and it was so nice. We're gonna go down, and on the way back we'll go into the castle. The castle is right here. Hopefully there'll still be enough light to get some decent pictures for my son so he remembers. Yeah, love, this is all for you. Now what? This looks like a house, like somebody actually lives there. Or maybe it's a business. Birthday Hut. Oh, it's a hotel. Look at what I'm doing for you all. Walking all the way down. It must be here. Reveal yourself. Valley, reveal yourself. I want to see you. Did you? Yes, right about here. You can see the bridge over the water there. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit. Right there. Zoom back out a bit. Ew. See? Oh my goodness, actually I think I have to walk a bit more. Yeah. It's so nice here. Yeah. It's very nice. Beautiful. Very beautiful. There y'all are. You can see all the houses over there. Look at that. Yes, Gigi. Yeah, that's what I wanted you all to see. It is so nice. In that little spot there at the very top of the mountains, there is a house there. I don't know how they get that high, but there's a house there. And over here to my right, It looks like there's a plantation there. It's very nice. Oh, makes me miss Haiti so much. The south of Haiti, just so beautiful. Very nice houses down there. That's it, yo. It's looking overcast. We better get back to the castle. Hold on.
Schon.
Die große Grotte, das hört sich richtig cool an. Wollen wir einmal die Runde durch den Schlossgarten gehen?
This reminds me of Haiti. There must be grapes over there. I thought I was gonna miss the leaves falling in Washington DC, in the DMV, but there's plenty of leaves falling here. Okay, you're hungry? You're hungry? Let's go find a place for you to eat. it. We made it. Oh, wow. Ah, scary. Oh boy. Pretty nice. Look at that. Must be somebody's house on the hill. Diamond Gemon Memata Piwona Gonkai. They have houses everywhere. This is even higher than the castle.
In half a mile, take a sharp left turn onto Mulkenkareg.
It's okay, love.
7 miles. Keep right onto Ringstress.
It says do not enter. Sorry. I think I'm supposed to go straight. Yeah, it's this way. for you to eat? We'll go find food. Alright. We'll go find something to eat.